Good morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel of Astrologer Anil Aggarwal. Today, we will be talking about whatever predictions I have made as per the solar ingress of Cancer and the lunation charts of the 20th July and the future lunation chart of the 3rd August 2020. Now, predictions on China aggressive stance, Rajasthan crisis, bullish trends in the gold and stock markets, havoc from rains have all proved spot on. Whatever was predicted for all this has been proved spot on. And you can see for yourself, China is in aggressive stance. It is not de-escalating from the position in Ladakh, and there are tensions between US and China. You can see for yourself. Just go through the news, latest news, and you can see for yourself. So let me read out whatever has been predicted for the globe seems coming true. Read below the media news and then the predictions made on the basis of the solar ingress in Cancer and the two lunation charts of the 20th July and the 3rd August 2020 for the immediate future, which seems most enigmatic for the world and India. So, friends, Indo-China brawl. As per the media reports, China not de-escalating situation on LAC continues to deploy 40,000 troops on Ladakh front. So I mentioned the link. You can go through the link. Then, as per the predictions of the solar ingress of the signs Cancer and the lunation charts of 20th July and 3rd August, all predictions seem to be coming true. Especially the future is not good. If we look at the Rashi Sanghata Chakra explained in my previous article for the brawl between taking ugly shape between India and the neighboring countries, China and Pakistan. China refuses to budge from Pangong till Gogra Post pulls, though Gogra Post pulls back from hot springs. China is falling Myo dictum by keeping two fronts war option against India open. So you can see for yourself, China is taking aggressive stance as I mentioned. Then China and US brawl. The Cold War between US and China is intensifying. The tensions between China and United States have reached the most acute levels since the countries normalized diplomatic relations more than 4 decades ago, with the American governments ordering that China close to Houston consulate being just the latest example. Beijing stabbed US Secretary. Beijing stabbed. US Secretary of State says it is time to liberate the world from China. California, US Secretary of State Mike Pompeo has once again targeted China. He said Thursday that it is the time for China to be liberated from autocracy and atrocities, and we must strive for a China-free world. So, friends, as I had mentioned, the complete world will be going against China. Well, that is obvious. We can see for ourselves, and China will be in great trouble. That's the future of China. Although he thinks that he will get away with it, he will not be able to get away with it. Chinese consulate in Houston was hub of spying, Mike Pompeo. So, friends, all this is going on. Then gold, as I had predicted, gold will touch a new high. It has almost touched $1,900 just before it has to break after the 26th of July for some time. But after 22nd and 3rd, again, it will surge. You will see for yourself, especially in the fortnight from 3rd August to 19th August. Stock and financial markets are also, there is a bullish trend, but 24th, there has been a little, drop and a bearish trend. Well, that is due to the escalation of tensions between US and China, and it was expected that they are going to take a ugly shape in the near future, especially when Mars goes in the sign Aries on the 16th of August, and Sun also changes on the 16th of August from the sign Cancer to Leo. Both these fiery planets will be in the fiery signs, and Sun will come in the Lagna in the ascendant of US and Donald Trump, and Mars will be in the fourth house of the China Foundation chart. It will aspect the Mars in the seventh house of gods, where it is debilitated, but it is exalted in Navamsha. So, friends, China is going to take an aggressive stance. It is very clear and obvious. Then rains and havoc from floods. We can, as far as the stock market is concerned, Nifty may touch 11,500 maximum. This is what I can predict. But after the 3rd August to 19th August, there may be bearish trend, especially after the 16th, between 16th and 19th. So, friends, and as I've mentioned in the Rashi Sanghata Chakra, there are Vedas, so there is a possibility of the escalation of brawl between the country, especially India and China and US. Especially India and China, the relations may go bad. They may take an ugly shape. Today also there is a meeting on Friday, but I don't expect anything good out of it. There is no peace. Even if he agrees to something, he may not abide by it. So, friends, we all know how China behaves. It can stab at the back. So, friends, we have to be prepared for its aggressive stance. And I have completely discussed each and every parameter. When the enemy will arrive, what will happen, and all that has been discussed in my previous article. This is just to show that whatever has been predicted is coming out true. Then it was predicted that there will be, because because Mars is behind Sun, and it was aspecting Sun till the time the Sun went in Cancer, and Cancer is again a watery sign. And then again now Mars will be aspecting Sun for few hours on the 16th. So, friends, we can have more rains, and I mentioned that we can have havoc from rains, and we have seen in Assam, Bihar, and other places of the country that there have been havoc because of rain, and there have been excessive rain all throughout the country. Now, I have reproduced the article of the 3rd August to 19th August. You can read it for yourself. It is especially to mention that the Rashi Sanghata Chakra has Veda between the planets, and this is not good. So, friends, this is all about what I just wanted to share. Said whatever has been predicted is coming true, and especially the brawl between the nations is not good. It is going to take an ugly shape, especially when Mars goes in the sign Aries, and it is going to remain in Aries for a very long time. And then in October, it will fall back. On the 4th of October, it will be nearest to Earth. And we all know when retrograde Mars is nearest to Earth, it is just like warlike conditions. So the seeds of the escalation of brawl between the countries will be sowed after the 16th of August. In fact, they have already been sowed, but they can trigger after the 16th of August, and especially in this fortnight, because there is Veda also between the planets, and especially in the sign Gemini, the Aries sign, where Rahu is there and Venus is there. As I've already discussed, there may be infiltration, and there may be, what do you call, China may infiltrate in the sky. It may infiltrate on the earth, and it may try to advance. It may not what do you call disengage its army and other forces. So friends, this is all what I want to say. The planetary positions, although they are slowly and slowly improving, but they are going in the negative direction as far as the brawl between the countries is concerned. And as we know that Saturn is opposing Sun, till Saturn is opposing Sun, and in 6-8 axis, it is not a good yoga. So friends, till till the what do you call 16th of September, this yoga will remain and it will not be good. So after that, Sun will go in Libra, and, and we have to again see how. But then Mars and Sun will be in 6-8 axis. So all has to be seen, and I have already predicted about October. After 4th of October, what will be the condition, because Mars will also be fallen, and then the disposer of Mars will be fallen, and then Ketu in the sign Scorpio, and will be aspected by Mars by 8th aspect. So those friends, that is in 21, after it goes back, in the sign, you know, before it goes back in the sign on the 4th of October, it will be aspecting Ketu also. So before 4th of October, it will aspect by its 8th aspect on Ketu. That is not good. So, and it will be nearest to us. So friends, 4th of October is not a good date, because then Mars will also be in Gandanta at that point of time. So friends, this is all I just wanted to share. So thank you for listening to me. I will make more videos. I will try and improve the quality of the video. Today, I feel that this video should be good enough for the listeners, because I'm also speaking a bit loudly, and that's about all. So best of luck, friends, and best of day. And thank you for listening to me.